to Penny's STEAM Lab.
Hi guys, welcome back to Penny's STEAM Lab. Today we're going to be making rainbow butter. Whoa! First thing you're going to need is a mixer, heavy cream, and food coloring. Making rainbow butter is really easy. You just whip until it makes a solid and a liquid. Let's pour some heavy cream in. Next up, sprinkle a little bit of salt. If you were doing this butter for something like pancakes, I would say you add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of vanilla. Next, we're gonna turn it on and it will whip. Now's the point where if you wanted to make whipped cream, you'd stop and it would be whipped cream if you added sugar and vanilla. See the peaks that it has formed? Remember, we're not stopping there. Remember what I told you earlier? We want it separate. At this point, we're gonna add some food coloring. I'm using gel food coloring because it's a little more vibrant. Put some in. See, it looks pretty gross because now it's separated. What we're gonna do next is collect the solids out of the bowl. We're gonna form it into a ball and rinse the butter. Make sure you use cold water while you rinse it. Super gross. I'm not gonna lie on that one. I did ask my mom for help. Don't forget to pour cold water over it to make sure. I put it in a bowl, set it aside, and now we're gonna repeat all the steps for green, yellow, and blue. If you don't want to save the buttermilk for something like pancakes, then you can use a strainer like this to get the butter out. Add more cream, you'll get a bigger ball. Mom is gonna do the butter. Shape it like butter, and I will be recording. our butter. It's super slippery, and we just put a toast in it, a piece of toast in. Sorry. And I'm gonna try it. Perfect. Piece of butter. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure you like and subscribe. Bye! Making rainbow butter is really easy. You just stir, 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 and then the milk of
That was
I'm
cute.
using Jet.
That was cute.